Good day guys, I'm going to teach you on how to delete a YouTube playlist. Quick and easy, okay? So follow me. So first, on the upper right corner, you will see your profile, the circle one. Just click that one. Then choose the third option, the YouTube Studio. After choosing, on the left corner, you will select Playlist. Then decide or select the playlist that you would like to delete. So for me, I would like to delete Facebook ads. So on the right corner, you will see edit. Click on that one. And then you will see three dots. And that's the thing that you're going to click to show the delete playlist option. Then select delete playlist option. Delete playlist. Are you sure you want to delete Facebook ads? Note, deleting playlist is a permanent action and cannot be undone. Do you want to delete? Of course. And that's how you delete a playlist on YouTube. I hope you like the video, guys. If you like, kindly like the video and share with other friends. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.